What's up, fam? Welcome to another travel vlog. Hey. Alright fam, so in this video, I'll be showing you Dreams Tulum Resort hotel tour. Follow along, let's go. Alright guys, our shuttle is here. Thank you, senor.
Okay.
We're off to Dreams, let's go. Finally made it. Thank you. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like outside here at the front entrance. And there they are. Can't wait to go in there. Alright guys, so when you check in, there's a complimentary champagne over here if you want some. That's pretty fire. So we just checked in. But look what they're doing. Hey. Meeks, what did you order? Welcome to Dreams. Alright fam, so we just finished eating there at the seafood grill restaurant. We're waiting for 3 o'clock, actually 3:30. It's 3:05 right now. Our check-in time is at 3:30. We're still waiting to check in, but luckily they allowed us to go eat wherever we want to here for free, even though we're not checked in just yet. But yeah, the food there was pretty good. Drinks were good too. I had a shot of tequila. I had one Aperol Spritz as well. I couldn't finish that because I'm still really full right now after all that food that I just consumed. So yeah, so right now we're just killing time until we check in. And after that, once we're all checked in, I'll show you a quick room tour. Let's go. Oh, wait. Just in case you're wondering why we're here, and also if you missed my vlog prior to this, make sure you check that out. The reason why we're here today, it's because, actually not just today, but the next 3 days. It's because it's my friend Rachel's wedding. This is their wedding destination. It's called Dreams Resort here in Tulum. Yeah, that's why we're here. Alright guys, welcome to a quick Dreams Tulum room tour. Let's go. So there's this first door here, and then there's another room over there. I don't know whose room is that. This is our room. Let's go. So this is the entrance. As soon as you walk in, there is a little closet over here. There's a safe, a weighing scale because you're going to be eating a lot here. And then check out this bathroom. They have a tub over here, nice sink, very clean. And the toilet. Oh no, this is the shower room. There's a rainfall shower head up there. And then the toilet, of course. Let's walk back out here. We have 2 beds, 2 queen beds. We have a big screen TV, and then some chairs over there. And this is our garden view with a hammock, you guys. Check it out. And we're gonna have some coffee over there. Hi guys.
Hello.
Yeah, I forgot to show you. There's this little window over here that you can close. I'm sorry, it's already a little messy here, but this is the toiletries they're giving us. That comes with it. I don't know what's in here. Vanity kit, lotion, shower gel, shampoo. Also another little detail here, you guys. There's an incense here. Check this out. So it'll be nice and peaceful here. And this is our fridge. It was pretty full earlier, but they took some already. Like we have free water, orange juice, Dos Equis, and some soda. Third shot.
Yes.
Get to see the beach. We're off to dinner, you guys. Look, they look really good.
Bonita.
Muy bonita. Fuego.
I feel
Muy fuego. Guys, this is we're having dinner. Right, Meeks? So we're going to this place, Bordeaux. We'll see what it is. What did you say?
What did I say?
You like how thick
It is?
That's what she said.
Bruh. I'm feeling.
Okay, where do we put that?
The service.
Thank you so much.
What do we got? What do we got?
Oh, nachos. Very
Nacho.
good. And the one cheeseburgers. Ice, a little bit bread. Hold it. Anyway.
You're the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you. Muchas gracias. Have a good night.
You
And
too.
please, and you finish this for the outside for the door.
Okay.
Okay? Gracias.
Gracias, senor.
Bye-bye.
The nachos, though, the best one I've ever had. How about you?
No, even if it's like a little soggy, it's so freaking
I know,
good.
right?
I can't believe
It's
it.
really the best. I've never had anything better than this.